I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will see how inverse of exponential functions can be utilized to solve exponential equations. We have two equations to practice. Solve each equation. E to the power of 2x plus 3 minus 9 equals to 0 and 2 to the power of x minus 5 minus 3 equals to 0. Now inverse of exponential function is logarithmic functions, right? So we know log. So when I say logarithmic functions, normally they are to the base 10, which you can calculate using calculator, or we may have ln I should say, which is log to the base e of x, right? So either one of them can be used to solve exponential equations. Here we will see the techniques to use both of them with the given examples. Now the first one is e to the power of 2x plus 3 minus 9 equals to 0. Now since e is there, it is a good idea to use ln, right? The second one is 2 to the power of x minus 5 minus 3 equals to 0. Here you have an option. You could use log to the base 10 or log to the base e, which is natural log ln. Let us see how to use it. So let me do this question first, which is e to the power of 2x plus 3 minus 9 equals to 0. We can take 9 to the right side, so it will be e to the power of 2x plus 3 equals to 9. Now we'll take log both sides. Since we have e, we'll take ln both sides. So we have ln e to the power of 2x plus 3 equals to ln 9. Now from the properties of log, we could write this as 2x plus 3 ln e equals to ln 9. Now ln is inverse of e, so that results into 1, right? So ln e is 1. So what we get here is 2x plus 3 equals to ln 9, and then we can find x by rearranging this equation. So we get 2x equals to ln 9 minus 3, or x is equals to ln 9 minus 3 divided by 2. So that is the exact solution of this particular equation, correct? Now let us see how to solve the other one. Well, you can always use calculator, evaluate this. You could do that. But I'm leaving it right here. You can use calculator and find it answers to a few decimal places. Now let's do the next one. Our approach is exactly similar to what we adopted. So you can actually pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. So here we have 2 to the power of x minus 5 minus 3 equals to 0. We can take 3 on the right side. So we get 2 to the power of x minus 5 equals to 3. Now we will take log to the base 10 in this particular case. You could take log to the base 2 as we took ln e, but that doesn't really help because most of the calculators do not work with base 2, right? They work with base 10 or e. So we'll take log. When we write log as such, base is 10, that is assumed, right? So 2 to the power of x minus 5 equals to log of 3, and that gives you, applying the power rules for the logarithms, x minus 5 log of 2 equals to log of 3. Dividing by log of 2, we get log of 3 divided by log of 2. It's like solving an equation, right? X minus 5, or x is equals to 5 plus log of 3 divided by log of 2. So that becomes the exact solution for the given equation. I hope the steps are absolutely clear, right? So whenever you have exponential equation, try to write them in a form that once you take log on both the sides, you are in a position to isolate the variable. That's kind of key for working with such equations. And then simple algebra to isolate variable and write on the values, correct? So I hope that helps to find the solution of each equation. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you and all the best.